Alright, just buttoning up a few things with this CB radio and antenna install. As you can see, I got this all prettied up with red wire loom. Works perfectly. Isolators right there. I found it. Woohoo! But check this out. So what I wanted to do inside here was to be able to play the CB radio, or hear the CB radio through the truck's audio, you know, the truck's speakers. And I got it to work, but there's a problem. And let me show you what I got hooked up here. I've got the aux speaker on, well, I got the audio split here. I'll just show you. It's easier to look at it. See this right here? I've got a mono to stereo. Let me turn this down. So I've got a mono to stereo adapter. Then I got a stereo splitter. This one goes to little speaker back here. Just a Rode Pro thing, no big deal. And then this one right here goes into the aux input. And it's very difficult to see right here. Okay? And that plays into the truck's hi-fi through aux. Works great, but listen to this. Hear the delay? This one's faster, this one's slower. So I got an echo effect. But it works. But I'm not going to be dealing with delayed frickin' yakety yakety going on with this here. That's weird. That's weird. You think it'd be at the speed of light. But it works. It works. I just got to button all this up, mount this in there somehow, and put the mat back down there, and it's very difficult to see. A little spaghetti wire cleanup. Easy peasy. But she's going to work. Woo-hoo.